Hello everyone! In this video we'll be getting familiar with Inkscape's interface and control, and after that I will show you how I set up my documents for creation of figures. You might have noticed that in the bottom left corner of the video there is a small icon for a mouse. This is not actually part of Inkscape, as you might have guessed. This is just so that you can see what happens when I use my mouse and what happens when I press a key on the keyboard. So this will be useful for you to learn the keyboard shortcuts that I use. Now let's take a tour of Inkscape's interface. At the top you have your menus. Below that you have the options for the tools currently selected. At the left you have your toolbox. At the bottom you have your palette, some color options, options to control the layer, some information, and then positional information, such as the X and Y coordinate of your page, your zoom factor, and the rotation of your canvas. The right bar will be used to interact with grid and grid snapping features. If you're missing any of the elements I just showed, just go in the View menu, Show and Hide, and check the boxes accordingly. To move around in Inkscape, you simply press the middle mouse button and move your cursor. This will drag the page around. You can zoom by pressing Ctrl and then scrolling, or by adjusting the zoom factor. In the latest version of Inkscape, they added a feature that allows you to rotate your view. To do so, you press Ctrl and middle mouse click and then you drag. If you let go, your page will be stuck like this. It can be infuriating to have your drawing crooked like this, so to put it back straight, just remember that at the bottom right corner you have your rotation angle for your page. Just put it back to 0, press enter, and it will bring it back to where it was before. So that's about it for the interface and how to move around in Inkscape. Let's end this video by seeing how to set up a document. When opening a new Inkscape document, you will always be presented with a blank page. This page dimension can be changed by opening the Document Properties menu. This menu is located into File, Document Properties, or the keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-D. By opening this menu, you can now change your page format to whatever standard format you wish, and by specifying specific dimensions should you want to use a non-standard format. However, I will not insist on this because there is a much more useful way to resize your page to your drawing that we will see a bit later. But for now, let's just choose US letter and move on to the next video.